All right, guys, so I'm gonna make a video showing you where all these holes go for the bottom. This right here is the bottom of the Bluetooth speaker. Basically, these holes, the way we draw these is I do a 0.1. I make sure my midpoint is selected here. I do a line from the midpoint down 0.1 inches. And I put a center diameter circle of 0.13 on the end of that line. And then I delete the line. That is how I do these four. They're all done the same way. As far as these in the corner for the little pegs that go on the bottom, basically what I do here is I will offset by 0.185 on both sides. So I offset, sorry, let me try that again, 0.185, enter. And I select this line, offset it to the middle, and offset this to the inside. And if you can see, that is the center of these circles. So I do that for all four corners. And this one is going to be a 0.1 diameter. Make sure I select the intersection, 0.1. And then I'll go ahead and get rid of these lines. I do that for all sides. Now I have this piece here. So the way I actually need to move this one, but basically what I'll do is I draw a 2-inch line from the end. Make sure you draw it straight. I'm gonna have to redo that one. So that is a 2-inch line. Now I'm gonna go ahead and offset this by 0.375. Bring it down, offset this down. Then I'll get rid of this line. So I can go ahead and delete these. And I'll redraw them. So I'm gonna draw a line up from the endpoint, 0.485. And I'm going to draw the line down, 0.485. And then I'll put my 0.13 diameter holes there. Basically, I have two sizes for these holes, either through holes, which are 0.13, or the screw holes, which are 0.1. So before I had it centered, I don't want it centered. So again, if I double check, this should be 0.97 between them. 0.97, that's good. I can get rid of these. Lastly, I need these two, which are my screw hole size, not through hole. I will offset the bottom by 0.35. This bottom, that brings me to the center of these lines. And offset this one, 0.922. You see that is where this hole is centered. So just to show you, I make a point from the intersection, 0.1. That is where that hole goes. So I'll go ahead and delete those lines. Then I just draw a line from here, from the center of this one out, 0.905. And you see that is where I locate my next hole, same size as this.